Has the biggest move in crypto just been quietly set in motion? What you're about to see could change everything you thought you knew about the internet computer's immediate future. The whispers have become a roar, and today we're cutting through the noise to deliver a comprehensive, evidence-based breakdown you simply won't find anywhere else. Welcome back to ICP Today, where we don't just chase headlines, we connect the dots. This content is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice or endorse any investment or cryptocurrency. Information is based on publicly available sources. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Let's establish the baseline of pure, unadulterated fact. The confirmation is clear. John Kamish's affiliation with the DFINITY Foundation has officially concluded. His presence has been scrubbed from the team page, a move that sent immediate shockwaves through community channels. But in our relentless pursuit of context, we must ask the pivotal follow-up question that most commentators are missing entirely. What does this administrative change actually signify within the grand unfolding strategy of the ICP ecosystem? The surface-level narrative of a simple departure is not just incomplete, it's dangerously misleading. This isn't an exit, this is a redeployment. Consider the evidence. His social media activity remains fervently, unambiguously pro-ICP. He is amplifying technical breakthroughs, endorsing ecosystem developments, and engaging with the core community. This is not the behavior of someone stepping back. This is the hallmark of someone preparing to step into a new, perhaps more focused role. The logical inference points directly toward the autonomous ventures orbiting the ICP core protocol. We're talking about Caffeine AI, the AI powerhouse, Utopia, the enterprise-grade private cloud solution, and the enigmatic stealth mode project known as Convo. Placing a visionary technical mind like Kamish at the helm of one of these rocket ships isn't a loss for ICP, it's a deliberate acceleration of its most potent growth vectors. The Foundation's role is to steward the protocol. The next phase of conquest belongs to the for-profit entities built atop it, and this move suggests a key general is now leading the charge on that new frontier. Guys, 99% of people watching don't subscribe to this channel, so please take a second to hit that subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's confront the thermonuclear rumor detonating across crypto Twitter, Telegram, and every Discords you can name. The persistent, tantalizing theory that a behemoth like Coinbase is exploring a deep architectural integration with the internet computer to achieve true, scalable on-chain functionality. The thesis is both simple and revolutionary. Exchanges today are bottlenecks. They are intermediaries. The endgame is a world where these platforms evolve into seamless gateways to a universe of decentralized assets and applications. To get there, they require a blockchain substrate that isn't just good enough. It needs to be orders of magnitude better. It must offer near-instant finality, negligible transaction costs even under massive load, and bulletproof security derived from cutting-edge cryptography. This is not a generic checklist. This is the exact value proposition of ICP's chain key technology. When you analyze the technical requirements for an exchange to host millions of real-time on-chain token interactions without crumbling, the list of viable blockchains shrinks dramatically. ICP doesn't just make the list, it sits at the very top. The rumor persists because, on a purely technical level, it makes an almost frustrating amount of sense. It is the logical conclusion of the industry's trajectory. But, and this is the most critical point we will make today, as of this exact moment, it remains a compelling piece of industry speculation, not a confirmed partner. Treating it as anything more before an official announcement is a recipe for misguided decisions. Our job is to understand the why behind the rumor, to appreciate the sheer scale of what it implies about ICP's recognized capabilities, while keeping our feet firmly planted in the realm of verified reality. So, if this partnership rumor is still speculative, where should we be looking for tangible, verifiable demand catalysts? The answer lies in the projects that are already built, funded, and moving toward launch. Let's start with Caffeine AI. To understand its impact, you must first understand its economic model. Caffeine is a for-profit AI company. It incurs costs for compute, for model training, for operations. In exchange for utilizing the ICP blockchain's unique capabilities for data anchoring and verifiable execution, it pays fees directly into the network's cycle's treasury. This is transformative. It means the ICP protocol captures value from a booming AI market without having to shoulder the immense operational overhead of running AI models itself. It's a pure, efficient value capture mechanism. The success of Caffeine directly translates to increased resource consumption and value accrual to the ICP token itself. This is the definition of a symbiotic, sustainable demand driver. But if Caffeine is the public-facing spearhead, then Utopia is the silent, strategic depth. Imagine the needs of a major financial institution, a national government, or a global corporation. Their requirements are not about public decentralization. They are about sovereign control, predictable performance, and regulatory compliance. Utopia provides the framework for these entities to deploy their own private, specialized node clouds that are still inherently compatible with and powered by the broader Internet Computer Protocol stack. They choose this stack because of its technical superiority, its speed, its efficiency, its security. The value proposition for ICP here is staggering. It's not about micropayments from users. It's about massive institutional-scale contracts and resource commitments that could dwarf current crypto-native demand. Utopia represents the bridge between traditional enterprise tech spending and the blockchain world, with ICP positioned as the beneficiary. This isn't just another dApp. It's a potential paradigm shift for how large organizations view decentralized infrastructure. And we cannot ignore the signals screaming from the on-chain data. Look at the supply dynamics on major centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. The available liquid supply of ICP is under immense pressure. Tokens are being withdrawn at an accelerated pace. This isn't a minor fluctuation, it's a sustained trend indicating a fundamental shift in holder behavior. Whether this is driven by anticipation of staking rewards, long-term conviction in the projects we've discussed, or belief in the rumors themselves, the effect is the same: a tightening of immediately available sell-side pressure. In market mechanics, constrained supply meeting rising demand is the very engine of revaluation. This is a quantifiable, real-time metric that anyone can verify, and it paints a profoundly bullish picture of current market structure. Finally, let's synthesize this. Dominic Williams and the DFINITY Foundation have laid a foundation of unprecedented technological ambition. The previous market peaks for ICP were achieved when this vision was largely just that, a vision. Today, that vision is crystallizing into concrete, revenue-generating, adoption-driving ventures. Caffeine AI is moving toward full launch. Utopia is moving from concept toward deployment. The ecosystem is maturing from a promising protocol into a full-stack, high-performance compute platform with multiple independent growth engines. Our conclusion is this: the true story of ICP in this cycle is not reliant on any single explosive partnership rumor, however massive it may be. The true story is the simultaneous activation of multiple, legitimate, and powerful demand drivers that are unique to its architecture. The technical exodus of a key figure likely signals a focus on these very ventures. The exchange rumors highlight the industry's dawning recognition of ICP's unique utility. The on-chain data reveals a market already positioning itself for what comes next. If you find this deep dive into the future of decentralized technology valuable, support this channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.